Hi, I'm Kayla O'Brien, aka the Side Hustle Chick, and I have a big announcement to make. I'm officially done with the 9-to-5. I'm going freelance. It's the first time I've ever done something like this before, and I'm really nervous, excited, scared, all the emotions mixed into one. But the final thing before I let my 9-to-5 life go, I have all the stuff from my cubicle desk that I collected over the last 3 years, and I have it in a box, so I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing of it. It might be a little depressing, might be a little funny, but I'm ready to share this experience with you. So come along with me, I'm gonna get the box right now. This is 3 years worth of stuff that I've collected. There's a bunch of random things, and we're gonna go through each and every one of them. This is Ditching the 9-to-5 unboxing. Let's begin. Okay, first thing out of the box is this child's handwriting tablet. It is not an iPad like they have today. It is a practice until you learn it device where you just write. And it's, why do I have this? Good question. Well, it's also a white balance, perfect for video production, and it's a dry erase board, so I can write myself notes. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this. It was from the dollar store, good purchase. Next up is another child's item. This is a US map for the wall. I never opened it. It was another dollar store purchase, but I have a goal, a dream to go around to every state and to do stories there. So I think I'm gonna hang on to this as an inspiration, put it on my wall, maybe, try to get it going. Next up, something else I did not take out of the packaging. The 2018 Manatee calendar provided by the Save the Manatee Foundation, a very worthwhile charity in Central Florida. I just could not open it because I don't want to get rid of it. There's 12 different manatee pictures on here, and it's almost 2019, so I guess I missed the chance to use this and actually write on it. If you have pictures of manatees that you can share with me, please DM me on Instagram, Kayla O'Brien Media. That's where I will like them and cherish them forever. This is a magazine from the NPPA. It's a photographers association. I was a part of it when I was a journalist, and it's got a lot of good information here. I'm still a member. I plan to still be a member, and hopefully you guys can hook me up with some work. Okay, next up is a horrible pair of shoes. These I kept under my desk to be professional in because I always wore sneakers to work. Even if I was wearing a dress, I always wore sneakers. So these were like my decoy shoes in case my boss would come over to me. But my old roommate's dog had a field day with these and had chow down time on the heels, but I still wore them for like 2.5 years. So I guess I'm gonna ditch these, but they did their job for a long time. These are my grandma's shoes. All right, the Chi. A lot of women out there are gonna be like, yeah, Chi hair straightener. This is Old Faithful here. I've had it for years and years. It has 2 settings, on and off. I use it almost every single day just to give my hair that little sleek look. Yeah, I'm never getting rid of this, and you have to pry it out of my cold, dead hands. And this is ironic. This is a thermal flat iron spray that you're supposed to spray in your hair before you use hot products. Like a curler or straightener, and it's completely full. I think I used it maybe 1 time, and one of my coworkers got really annoyed that I was using hairspray at work, and I just stopped out of fear of her not liking me. Here's some cool stickers of a cat and a puppy that I used on things that only I saw. Here's a folder, because I'm in the 4th grade, of some important information, some pictures, and some newspaper clippings. That's a little hint of where I used to work. Here's some photos that I took when I was there. Here's my picture. Tons of memories in there. Probably gonna keep that in my treasure box for a while. All right, more hair products. Apparently I did my hair at work a lot. This is a Sultra, the hair wand. I would use this to have professional curls, and I do not know how to use a curling iron. So I use this, and it's done me well. Also gonna hang on to that. Sunglasses, these are knockoff Ray-Bans in case I lost my actual glasses. And of course, Croakies with sharks on them, because why not? I don't just love manatees, I also love elephants. It's my second favorite animal for keeping track. This is a coffee mug, obvious as to what it does for you and what it did for me for 3 years. Needs a little wash, but I'm gonna keep using this forever. Here's a inside out sock that I wore at some point, and it has a bunch of my hair, I believe from the hairbrush that's also in the box. So that's good. Papers, more papers, papers. Oh, this is good. Here's a blank thank you card that I bought with the intention of sending it to someone that I was thankful for, but I never did, so there you go. Lost out on that opportunity. Here's 2 interesting items. 2 toothbrushes. One not opened, so obviously it didn't get any use. And this one, the electric brush, it did get some use, but yeah, I don't really know why I brought this to work, but I thought it was a good use of my desk space. If you're an Orlando viewer, you'll know this. Beefy King turned 50 years old this year, and I got the koozie because I was there on their anniversary day. All right, this is the sappy one. This is an award that I was given for a project that I was on. It's a First Amendment award, so it was for a video that I helped produce. This thing's heavy. It's like 6 pounds. I thought it was, you know, hollow inside. No, this thing is like, could kill you. This part could definitely, I might take it with me when I go down dark alleys, because this thing is no joke. And then my captor will also know my successes in life. All right, here's the hairbrush I was talking about, and it includes much of my hair and DNA. I use this, obviously, when I was using my hair products and not my hairspray. All right, this random rock that has rainbow painting on it. I actually found this in Ontario, Canada, on a beach in Lake Erie, and I looked at it and I said, that's cool, and I took it back with me and I just put it on my desk to remind me of my trip, and I've had it there ever since, and that was a couple years ago. So that's actually where I was born, is Fort Erie, Ontario, so it's a nice little home memento. Oh look, another sock, and it does not match with the other sock that I found, and it's also inside out, so there's a theme here. Oh, this makes sense too. The toothpaste that I use for my one toothbrush that was actually used, I did use it a lot. It seems like it had some good use. A lot of days of garlic bread and such that I wanted to rid before I went back to my desk, so there you go. Here's a bag of more stuff. This was all used in a video that I did about education. Lots of good things, you know, that I'll never use again. Maybe I'll go donate these to the Goodwill. Cool stuff in here, but nothing that I will use as a 27-year-old adult. This is a cute one. This is a photo of the team that I actually just recently left when we won a Team Emmy. This was last year, and one of our proud moments, we got to hold it and take pictures with it at the Suncoast Emmy Awards, so very cool. I put this on my desk so people would be jealous of me, and it worked. This is a cool ring light for my iPhone that doesn't have batteries in it, and none of my selfies actually look good, so okay. Here's a mug that says journalism matters, and that's very important because journalism does matter, and you have to believe it because it says it on a mug. All right, here's a magazine. It's a local company called Growing Bolder. It's about people who are getting older but are still doing really cool things. More unused products. Here's an unused sample bottle of mouthwash, and I apologize to everyone that wishes I had used this at some point during my career in the office. So I did have it, I just did not use it. And let's see, some earrings. These are very scandalous for work. I don't know why I had these at the office, but look at these dangly earrings. I usually wear studs for the most part, but I guess there was some sort of gala that I made up in my head and decided to bring to work to wear this to. They're very beautiful. I don't know where I can wear these to, but I'm gonna save them. These are safe. A mirror because I had the salon going on at my desk and I needed a lot of help, and this helped me out. Tissues that I used to cry my tears and wipe them up afterwards. This is an item that I got made fun of a lot for. It's a 1 gallon bucket for water. I would try to drink this one of these a day. I didn't ever usually make the cut. I usually got to about here before I stopped and then started the next day and refilled it. People would always come to my desk and ask me, do you drink that? You don't drink that at all, do you? You must be going to the bathroom a lot. Yeah, the answer is yes. I did go to the bathroom a lot. It was great. I got to walk around a lot, not be at my desk. You know, that was kind of the point of that. All right, and finally, the most important thing that everyone should have at their desk, their skydiving DVD. This is when I went skydiving a couple years ago. They, for an extra fee, of course, they give you a DVD of your experience, and I couldn't go skydiving without having the record of it. So I'll play a little clip for you so you can see my experience that I had there, and I kept this at my desk because I didn't know where else to put it. So that's it. I unboxed my 9-to-5 cubicle life. I'm done with it for now. I'm gonna try to see if I can make it work on the road and do YouTube and try a bunch of new things. I'm ready to try something new, have a new start in my life, and this is the last step before I'm able to do that. So thanks for joining me. Subscribe, comment, follow, DM, do all the things that you know you should do if you like what you see, and I'll see you in the next video.